Welcome to the Handyman app. In this tutorial, we will help you to get started, guide you through navigating the app and registering on the system. Let's take a quick look at the Handyman app. The Handyman app connects you with skilled local handymen for all your home and property service needs. What we offer. For customers, find trusted handymen in your area. Browse services by category: plumbing, electrical, carpentry, and more. Read reviews from other customers. Contact handymen directly via phone or WhatsApp. For handymen, create a professional service profile. Reach more customers in your area and build your reputation through reviews. How it works. Search. Find services near you using location-based search. Select. Browse profiles, compare ratings, and choose your handyman. Connect. Contact them directly to discuss your needs. It's that simple. No middleman, no booking fees, no commission. Just connecting you directly with skilled service providers. Navigating the icons, application icon descriptions. On the top right. If you have registered a handyman service, tap this icon for quick access to your dashboard. Next to that is your personal profile access. In the center, a search bar. Start typing to search for handyman. Next is the location icon. Search for handymen at your current location or pick a location on the map. Below that, a distance icon. This distance defaults to 5 kilometers. Simply tap to expand the search if needed. Make use of the predefined categories. This helps for quick filtering of specific service providers in your area. Pick a service type, individual, business, or even 24/7 service providers in case of an emergency. Zoom. Tap to zoom in or out, or on smart devices. Use your fingers. Map. Layers, switch between satellite or street map. Below that. If you have been panning around, tap to move back to your current location. At the bottom right, filter the service providers by rating, name, distance, or newest, based on your filter. Service providers are shown around your location. Tap on the service provider icon to open their details. Alternatively, pull the details up from the bottom and tap on your preferred handyman for details. On the top left, the Help menu provides information on the app and links to the help and support, as well as privacy policy, T's and C's, etc. Navigating the app. Here's a quick guide to finding your way around the Handyman app. 1. Home screen. View services near your location. Switch between map and list views. Use filters to narrow your search. Access to the help and support. 2. Service details. Tap any service to see full details. View photos, descriptions, and pricing. Read customer reviews. Contact the handyman directly from the app. 3. Profile. Access from the user icon on the top right. Update your personal information. Manage your account settings or favorites and reviews. 4. The menu. Here you will be able to access information about the app. Get help and support on app functionality. Access the privacy policy and settings, as well as our terms of service. Account and login. Creating your account on the Handyman app. 1. Login. Tap the login button. Enter your email address. Accept the terms and conditions. Press continue. 2. Verification code. The code will be sent to your email. Enter the code in the blocks. You will be signed in automatically. 3. Welcome screens. Enter your name and tap. Continue. Select looking for a handyman or wanting to offer a service. 4. Signed in screen. Depending on the previous option, you will be redirected to either the home screen to search for handymen or the subscriptions page where you can offer your services. Creating a service profile. Here's a quick guide to creating a service on the Handyman app. 1. Starting the setup when logging in for the first time. Select I want to offer my services, or if you already have an account and logged in. Tap Offer your services. 2. Selecting a subscription. Take note, the first 3 months are free to all subscribers. Choose between individual or business, monthly or 6 monthly. Save 25% on 6 monthly subscriptions. Tap Continue and select Create Service. 3. Entering service details. Add a business or service name and description. Most importantly, set your work location information. Add your contact details and upload images. Add service categories from a drop-down list, one or multiple categories. Once completed, tap Go Live to submit for approval. Lastly, please check your email for approval status. For a more detailed explanation on all help topics, please refer to the Help and Support section in the Handyman app. Thank you.